What's up, kind people of YouTube? My name's Ahmed, and welcome back to yet another video. Today, I want to talk to you about this film called Rebel Moon. It came out on Netflix a few months ago. When I saw the trailer, I genuinely expected a lot from the film. I put it in the top 10 films. Just looking at the trailer, I was like, yeah, this is going to be a good film. I'm expecting a lot from the film, but then I saw the film and I'm like, yo, I made a mistake there. This was not intended. I walked into watching Rebel Moon with a very low bar after I'd seen some of the reviews of the film. And I was in for a record breaking review of the film. Like to a point where even with the low bar that it had set because of the reviews, I'm like, I'm surprised it got worse. I can understand why Disney did not want it to be part of the Star Wars universe because yeah, it was bad. But dude, like at this point, Disney should just have taken it because it might have worked as a Disney film, but as a standalone film, Rebel Moon does not work. To a point where the write up that I've written for this is called Rebel Moon Galactic Misfire, and it is a misfire, dude. Like there are so many things wrong with it. It's so frustrating watching the film and trying to comprehend. Like the technology has advanced to a point where you have ships that are going across the universe to travel to different planets, but yet somehow you're not technologically superior as a race. Like you're a monarchy. How does that work? Dude, like the only condition that works in is Emperor Palpatine. And that is such a specific example that even Emperor Palpatine was overthrown. I'm at a loss of words because of how difficult it is to explain why Rebel Moon did not work for me. I don't think Rebel Moon worked for anybody, as a matter of fact. I think Rebel Moon is just a no go for a lot of people. Like, to a point where I'm like, just don't watch the film. Don't waste your time watching the film. In fact, just by my review of this film, you should avoid it. And that should be your precursor of how bad the first part of the film is. I wonder how it got approved. How would Netflix have approved this? Instead of that, they should have approved a couple of TV shows that deserve to be approved. Shadow and Bone, for example, they should have just renewed Shadow and Bone instead of this. And the fact that Zack Snyder was at the helm of this, and yeah, Zack Snyder has delivered quite a few flops in the last couple of years, man. And I can see why DC Extended Universe did not work. And at the same time, I understand why like I enjoyed Army of the Dead, but it was not the best film out there. Dude, like there are so many issues with the film, with this film as well, that it would take me an entire 20-minute review of why this film does not work. So if you would like me to make a review like that, leave a comment down in the comment section and let me know. Emma, we would like a full length review, like a 20-minute review of why Rebel Moon sucked. Overall, yeah, no, just avoid it too. Just don't watch the film and save yourself the trouble. Peace. That's been my time, and I will see you in the next one.